Ready to ask questions with to be? It's simple. You just flip the verb to the front. To ask about someone else, say, are you? Like, are you happy today? To ask about yourself, start with am I? Like, am I speaking clearly? For a boy, start with is he? Is he your brother? For a girl, use is she? Is she at home right now? When asking about a thing or animal, use is it? Is it a big dog? When you're part of the group, ask are we? Are we late for the bus? If you're asking a group of people, use are you? Are you all ready to learn? Finally, for other people or things, use are they? Are they coming to the party? Great job. Now you can ask questions like a pro. Don't forget to practice and subscribe.